I need you to understand that somewhere in a swamp, a plant with no brain is out there doing better budgeting than many of us. Not in a reciting multiplication tables way, but in a this is not financially worth it way. Did you know that Venus flytraps can count? Here's what's happening. Inside the trap are these tiny trigger hairs, and when an insect bumps one, nothing dramatic happens. The plant is not impressed. If it gets bumped twice in about 20 seconds, then snap! The trap slams shut. But, and this is the important part, closing is not digestion. Closing is just step one. Because digestion is expensive. Producing enzymes costs energy, and Venus flytraps live in swampy, nutrient poor soil where nitrogen is basically a luxury item. So after it snaps shut, the plant waits. If the insect keeps struggling and triggers the hairs about 5 total times, then the plant goes, all right, this is a real bug. This is worth the investment. And only then does it start pumping digestive enzymes. But if it was just like a twig or a weak little gnat that barely moves, too few triggers, not enough data, the plant reopens like it's saying, you are not worth my time. It's swamp math. This plant is running a return on investment calculation using electrical signals instead of neurons, because every time those hairs are touched, they create tiny electrical pulses inside the plant, and the flytrap is counting those pulses before deciding whether to commit to digestion. No brain, no thoughts, just silent, ruthless accounting. Somewhere out there, a bug is panicking, and the plant is calmly waiting for sufficient movement metrics before approving digestion. Plants don't have feelings, but this one absolutely has standards.